In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use import range in Google Sheets, a super handy feature that can really enhance your data management capabilities. Whether you're sharing data between different spreadsheets or managing multiple data sets, this function can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in and take you through the steps to effectively use the import range function. First, you're going to open a Google Sheet where you want to import data. You can do this by either creating a new sheet or opening an existing one. If you're working with multiple projects, organizing your data efficiently is crucial, and using separate sheets can help you maintain clarity. Once your Google Sheet is ready and open on your screen, you'll want to navigate to a specific cell. In this example, let's click on cell A1. This will be the starting point for importing your data. Now, we're going to enter the formula. Click on the cell and type in the formula. Import range. https://docs. google.com/spreadsheets dd1ul iwtba dex ye 4s09 pglqra2ff0o k87k50gt j0 a1 ab17. This formula tells Google Sheets that you want to import a specific range of data from one spreadsheet to another. Make sure to replace the URL and range with those that correspond to the specific data you want to import. The URL is the web address of the spreadsheet containing the data you wish to pull, and the range defines what part of this data should be imported. Once you've entered the formula, you'll simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Initially, you'll see an error message or placeholder indicating that access authorization is needed. This is a standard security measure by Google Sheets to ensure you have the necessary permissions to access the data from the other file. After hitting Enter, you will notice a small yellow box with the message href in the formula cell and a prompt asking you to allow access. Click on this Allow Access button, and once it is clicked, your target data will flow right in. If the sharing permissions on the other sheet are set correctly, you'll see the data appear in the range you designated in the formula. If you're unable to access the data, double-check that permission settings in the source spreadsheet allow viewers or collaborators. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully used the import range function to pull in data from another Google Sheet. Make sure that the spreadsheets you're working with are correctly shared to avoid any access issues. Keeping these spreadsheets organized and accessible will save you time and trouble in your data management tasks. Implementing import range can streamline collaborative projects, leading to enhanced productivity and efficiency. Don't hesitate to explore further options with Google Sheets that can work in tandem with import range to take your data handling to the next level. Happy spreadsheeting!